Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Dodge Durango roof rack. First, always consult your owner's manual to understand the specific weight limits for your vehicle's roof rack system. This is crucial for safety and to prevent damage. Next, ensure you have the correct crossbars and attachments for the type of cargo you plan to transport. Proper setup is key to a secure journey. When installing, make sure your crossbars are evenly spaced and securely fastened to the side rails. Even weight distribution is vital. Place heavier items in the center and lighter ones towards the ends. Remember, the Dodge Durango roof rack typically has a maximum weight capacity of 150 pounds, so never overload it to ensure safe handling and prevent damage. Now, let's talk about securing your cargo. Always use high-quality straps, ropes, or cargo nets that are appropriate for the size and weight of your items. Ensure everything is cinched down tightly, with no slack, and perform a final check by gently shaking the items to confirm they are stable. For larger items, consider how wind resistance might affect your driving. For best practices, regularly inspect your roof rack for any signs of wear, corrosion, or loose components. If you're not using the rack, consider removing it. This can slightly improve your vehicle's fuel efficiency and reduce wind noise. Finally, always drive more cautiously and at slightly reduced speeds when your roof rack is loaded, especially around turns or in windy conditions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.